Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Dragon Ball FighterZ game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your lobby character within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dragon Ball FighterZ game on your device. And once the game is loaded, you will be taken into the lobby. There are various different characters available that you can use to walk around the lobby area. If you wish to change it, press the start button. And now, from the top left panel, go into Customize. Here you can now go into the Select Lobby Character option. And now, you will have the various different options of characters that you can choose from. Just choose your desired character and it will be changed right away. This character will now be used within your lobby. And you can change it at any point of time by going back into the Customize menu and choosing your desired lobby character. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your lobby character on the Dragon Ball FighterZ game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.